Well, howdy. My name is Brad. I'm a park ranger at Great Smoky Mountains National Park. And we're on this journey of learning about music of the mountains. It's really kind of cool part of the cultural history in the Smokies. And we have learned about different instruments. You've learned about guitars, banjos, fiddles, maybe even playing bones or using your voice as part of the music of the mountains. All these things are just natural things that come together to create this very special music. And today, we want you to be able to build your own instrument, your own little mountain instrument. So I got some supplies together here, and I'm going to show you how to make a real simple harmonica that you can do at home and play your own music for your folks. So let's get started and have some fun with this.
Go.
There's a few things you need to get together to build this harmonica. First, a pair of scissors. You need to get some rubber bands, some popsicle sticks, and a simple piece of paper. You can use copy paper, construction paper, whatever you want to use. It'll make different sounds depending on what type of thickness of paper that you use. And that's all it's going to take. So let's build one of these things. Okay, let's get started here. I picked out a couple of popsicle sticks. I did pick out green because I am a park ranger and I do like green. So I got that. I also cut a strip of paper about the same size as the popsicle stick, just like this. I've also got a toothpick, and what you might want to do, especially if your parents are helping with this, is maybe break off these sharp pieces like this on both sides, just so you have a nub there, and then break the stick in half, as close as you can, like that. Put the piece of paper in between the popsicle sticks. Take one of the toothpicks and put it in between the popsicle sticks, like that. And then take a rubber band and wrap the rubber band on the outside of the toothpick, not on the inside. And just wrap it as tight as you can with the rubber band here. Okay. Now do the other side the same way. A piece of paper, just like that. Rubber band on the outside. And you now have a mountain-styled harmonica. You play it just like a regular harmonica. You put the air in between the two popsicle sticks, and this is what it sounds like. And that's a mountain harmonica right there. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you explore some more ideas online. You can find all kinds of cool ways of making different types of instruments just in your own home. And I hope you've enjoyed this, and come visit us at Great Smoky sometimes.